Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Starting with the great name of Allah. Welcome to the Physics Grade 9 lecture number 24. Today is 23rd April 2020. In our previous lecture, we have done the question number 3rd to question number 10, and we done the mind map of the question number 10. Now we will highlight the important words in the answer that must be highlighted with the help of the black marker. Now coming towards the answer of the question number 10, after mind map, give the heading of the answer in capital letter. Motion due to gravity is the main heading, must be written with the help of the marker. The motion produced in a body due to Earth's attractive force. This underline पार्ट मस्ट बी रिटन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ब्लैक मार्कर. कि आपका बाकी क्वेश्चन अगर ब्लू पेन से आप लोगों ने लिखा है तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स आप लोगों ने बीच में ब्लैक मार्कर से हाईलाइट करने हैं. इज कॉल्ड मोशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. व्हेन वी थ्रो एन ऑब्जेक्ट अपवर्ड it rises to a particular height and then comes back to the ground. It is due to the attraction of the earth on the object, which pulls it towards the ground during its upward motion. The attraction causes it to slow down or decelerates, and during the downward journey the attraction causes it to move with increasing velocity or with acceleration towards the ground. The attraction of the earth on any object is called gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. The rate of velocity as a result of the earth attraction. Gravity is called the acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by g and its value is taken as 9.8 meter per second, but for simplicity we shall use the value of g as 10 meter per second square. Equation of the motion in case of motion due to gravity. Equation of the motion can be written as Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt, h is equal to Vit plus half Gt square, 2Gh is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. Free fall. The motion in which air resistance, underline word is air resistance, is neglected and acceleration is nearly constant is called free fall. This is the diagram for the falling body. Initial velocity of a freely falling body will be 0 and acceleration due to gravity will be positive. Rising body. This is the diagram for rising body. For a body thrown vertically upward, the acceleration due to gravity will be negative and final velocity will be 0 at the highest point. If we neglect the air resistance, then all the bodies either lighter or heavier will fall with the same acceleration. Lighter and heavier will fall with the same acceleration. Now coming towards the mind map of the question number 11. First of all, prepare your page for question like this. Write down serial number, physics, classwork or homework, date 23rd 4 2020. Write down question number 1 in capital letter. Question number 11. Underline it. The question is, what are equation of the motion? Write the condition for equation of motion. Write down the heading of the mind map. Underline it properly. The main heading is equation of motion. Equation of motion. First one is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Second one is S is equal to Vit plus half At square. Third one is 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. Applied for constant acceleration. Applied for constant acceleration. Or velocity, and not used when A acceleration is changing. This is the mind map for the question number 11. Now coming towards the important word in the answer of the question number 11. After mind map, give the heading of the answer in capital letter. Equation of motion is the main heading. Underline it properly. Equation of the motion relates the terms which are associated with the motion of a body. There are three equations of the motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At is the first equation of the motion. S is equal to Vit plus half At square is the second equation of the motion. And 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square is the third equation of the motion, where S represents distance travelled, Vf represents the final velocity, Vi represents the initial velocity, T represents the time, and A represents the acceleration of the body. The equation of the motion can be applied in case of the constant velocity or constant acceleration. They can never be used over any period of the time during which the acceleration is changing. This is the question number 11. Now coming towards the mind map of the question number 12. Prepare your page like this: serial number, physics, classwork or homework, date, that is 23rd April 2020. Write down in capital letter the heading of the question number 12. Question is: derive first equation of motion by graphical method. Write down the heading of the mind map. Underline it properly. Double underlining must be done with the help of the pencil and ruler. Now coming towards the main point of the question, that is first equation of motion, that is Vf is equal to Vi plus At, gives the relationship between final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and time. This is the mind map for the question number 12. Now coming towards the important word in the answer to be highlighted with the help of the black marker. First equation of the motion, answer. Give the heading of answer after the mind map. Underline it properly. Main heading is the first equation of the motion. The first equation of the motion gives the relationship of the final velocity in terms of the initial velocity, acceleration a, and time t. Mathematically, Vf is equal to Vi plus At, where Vf is the final velocity, Vi is the initial velocity, T is time, and A is acceleration. Consider an object has the initial velocity at a point A which changes uniformly at point B as Vf. In given figure, OA is equal to AD represent the initial velocity and BD represent the final velocity. Here T is the time represented by OA. AC is equal to D as shown in the figure. This is the diagrammatic and the graphical representation. From the graph it is clear that DB is equal to DC plus CB. Also line DB represent final velocity Vf, so DB is equal to Vf. Time DC represent initial velocity Vi, so DC is equal to Vi. Putting these value in equation number 1, give this equation number 1 with the help of the black marker. Putting these value in equation number 1, Vf is equal to Vi plus Cb. Give this equation number 2 with the help of black marker. For finding Cb, we use definition of the slope. Slope is equal to del x divided by del y. Slope is equal to yf minus yi divided by xf minus xi. From figure, slope is equal to Cb divided by AC. The slope of the velocity time graph gives the acceleration A. Since AC is equal to T, therefore A is equal to Cb by T, or Cb is equal to AT is equation number 3rd. Give this equation number 3rd with the help of the black marker. Putting equation number 3rd in equation number 2nd, Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Expression 4 is the required first equation of the motion. This first equation of the motion must be written with the help of the black marker. Now coming towards the question number 13, that is, write down first main question number 13 in capital letters. Underline it properly. Write down the question. Derive second equation of motion by graphical method. Now give the heading of mind map. Underline it. Properly, double underlining with the help of the pencil and ruler. Now coming towards the main point, that is second equation of motion, which is S is equal to VIT plus half AT square, and gives the relation between S distance, time and acceleration. Now coming towards the answer, this is the mind map for the question number 13. Coming towards the answer, to highlight the important word with the help of the black marker. Give the heading of answer in capital letter. Second equation of the motion. Always remember that every heading must be given in the capital letter. Second equation of the motion relates displacement s with initial velocity and acceleration with time t. Mathematically, s is equal to vit plus half at square, where s, vit and a represent displacement, initial velocity, time and acceleration respectively. Derivation capital letter में heading. Consider an object has initial velocity vi at point A which changes uniformly to point B as Vf. In the given figure, OA is equal to DC represent initial velocity Vi and dB represent the final velocity Vf. Here time t is represented by OD is equal to AC is equal to t as shown in the figure. This is the graphical representation of the second equation of the motion. As area under velocity time curve represent the displacement s from the figure. Displacement s is equal to area under velocity time curve. Displacement is equal to area of the figure OABD. From figure we can write as displacement s is equal to area of the rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ACB. Area of rectangle is A is equal to width multiplied by height, and area of the right angle triangle is equal to half of the base multiplied by height. Putting the values from figure in these equation, area of rectangle is OA multiplied by AC and area of triangle ACB is half of AC multiplied by CB. Putting these value in equation number, this is given the name of star A or something else you can give it. Displacement S is equal to OA multiplied by AC plus half of the AC multiplied by CB. This is equation number A. Again from the figure, line segment AC represent time t, so AC is equal to t. Line OA represent the initial velocity Vi, so OA is equal to Vi. This is equation number 1 and 2 and must be given with the help of the black marker. To find CB, we use definition of the slope, that is slope is equal to del y divided by del x, or yf minus yi divided by xf minus xi. From figure, slope is equal to CB divided by AC. The slope of the velocity time graph gives the acceleration A. Since AC is equal to t, therefore AC is equal to CB divided by t, or CB is equal to AT. Putting equation 1, 2 and 3 in equation number A. So S is equal to Vi multiplied by T plus half multiplied by T into T multiplied by AT. This is equal to Vit plus half AT square. This is equation number B, and this whole equation must be written with the help of the black marker. Equation B is the required second equation of the motion. स्टूडेंट्स काइंडली जहाँ पर आप लोगों को इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड मैंने हाईलाइट करवाए हैं, अंडरलाइन करवाए हैं, वो वाले वर्ड आप लोगों ने विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ब्लैक मार्कर लिखने हैं. क्वेश्चन आप लोगों ने ब्लू मार्कर से लिखना है. बाकी राइटिंग आप लोगों ने इंग्लिश पेन से, ब्लू पेन से करनी है. डायग्राम्स आप लोगों ने पेंसिल से बनाने हैं. नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग करनी है. जानने के लिए और सीखने के लिए वीडियो को बार बार देखिए और पढ़ने और सीखने का अमल जारी रखिए. स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू सो मच एंड रमज़ान मुबारक.